10 200-meter sprints. Not easy, but I've been here before. I signed up for this.
Last one. You got this.
A 2-hour practice, 3 hours of class, 1 meal, and a midterm in a week. I've learned to love this.
You got this.
Injuries come with the territory, but recovery, that's where the real work begins. And it's not just about bouncing back, it's about coming back stronger. No one achieves greatness alone. Together, we reach new heights.
Come on, Seth, you got this!
Sport isn't just about winning or losing. It's a language we all understand. A place where we can be ourselves, no matter where we're from or what we believe.
That was a dime.
For me, my life runs on "you got this." And at Adidas, I'll keep pushing boundaries and embracing the pressure. I know this is where I belong.